Hello and welcome. I'm sure that many of you watching this video know several family members or friends who have been diagnosed with at least one of the many types of cancer that are capable of afflicting humans. But if you are living in the East or belong to a culture that includes many spices in your traditional cuisine, you, your family and friends are at a much reduced cancer risk compared to those who come from cultures where very few herbs and spices are eaten. In the USA, for example, the incidence of the three most lethal cancers, breast, prostate and lung, is far higher than in spice-consuming India. Breast cancer occurs 8 times more frequently in American women compared to their Indian counterparts, while American men are 30 times more likely to get cancer of the prostate than Indian males. Furthermore, the incidence of lung cancer is 20 times higher in the USA than on the Indian subcontinent. The principal reason for these staggering statistics is that by adding at least 10 grams of culinary herbs and spices to their meals, Indians, Sri Lankans, Thais and others are medicating themselves daily with the most powerful anti-cancer cocktails available. And these cheap, tasty, effective preventive remedies are available to all of us. These are phenomenal figures that health professionals in the West have yet to incorporate into their dietary advice to the public. And all it takes is for us to fully digest these statistics and start incorporating more herbs and spices into our recipes. Apart from the epidemiological evidence that favors a spice-rich diet, scientists have studied the anti-cancer activities of a wide range of specific spices, including turmeric, black pepper, ginger, garlic, chilies, rosemary, mustard, and others. Cancer is a complex disease that always starts with abnormal DNA. That in turn produces cancerous rather than normal cells. Once a group of cancer cells establish themselves, they develop a number of different mechanisms that enables them to grow and spread. That is why it is so difficult to find effective treatments for cancer. However, scientists have established that phytonutrients found in herbs and spices have a wide range of action. Not only do they protect against DNA damage and choke off the blood supply to cancer cells, they also interfere with the feedback signaling mechanisms without which cancer growth would come to a grinding halt. Furthermore, they have the amazing ability to reverse the immortality that is one of the most important characteristics of cancer cells. Many studies have attempted to show that vitamin supplements can help prevent cancer. Apart from 1 or 2 exceptions, there is still no evidence to show that this is the case. In fact, a number of the studies were stopped prematurely because those patients taking the vitamin supplements were found to be at a higher risk for developing cancer than those who were taking a placebo. In other words, there is evidence that taking excessive amounts of vitamin supplements can actually increase your cancer risk. The failed vitamin studies stand in stark contrast to the research that shows how a diet rich in phytonutrients found in herbs, spices, fruit and vegetables does actually protect against almost all cancer types. However, it is important to remember 3 vital points. Firstly, you need to eat large amounts of spices. Aim for 10 grams, that is 1/3 of an ounce of spices per day. Secondly, you must maintain that quantity every day. And number 3, you must eat a wide range of these foods. Try for at least 10 to 20 different herbs and spices on a regular basis. If you establish this pattern, you can be sure that not only will you reduce your cancer risk, but you will also lessen your chances of developing other diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular disease, and other degenerative illnesses. For much more information on the best cancer-fighting spices, please go to my website, where you can view other videos and download a free PDF copy of my book, Medicinal Seasonings, The Healing Power of Spices. Thank you for watching this video presentation.